Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable the new feature Dark Mode for Play Store.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Make sure you have the updated Play Store application. First, open Play Store from your apps list. Tap the three horizontal lines from the top left corner. A menu will open from the left. From this menu, tap on Settings. From Settings, under the General section, tap on Theme. A new menu will pop up. From this menu, tap on Dark. That's it. The new Dark Mode for Play Store has been enabled. In this way you can enable the new feature, Dark Mode for Play Store. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.